Hi, Namaste and Vanakkam everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day in advance. I guess you're wondering what am I eating? I'm eating one of my favorite and tastiest snack, all-time snack I would say. This is called the Bharat Bread Pakoda. The reason why we have named it as Bharat Bread Pakoda is that it has all three colors of the national flag. The saffron, white and the green. And trust me, it goes very hand in hand with a ginger chai. And during rainy days, definitely if you try this recipe, you will have a worthy evening. Do you want to know how do we make this recipe? Let's get into it. So to make this recipe, we need three vital ingredients: the bread and the two chutneys. So as I told you, these are the two colorful chutneys, one in red color and the other one in green color, the red chutney and the green chutney. So what we are going to do is, we are going to apply the chutney on each bread and we are going to do it as a sandwich. Now I am going to apply green chutney on one of the bread portion. So I am spreading it. See how colorful it is. So now after applying the green chutney, we are going to apply the red chutney. Yes, it looks really colorful. So now I'm going to keep it above this green chutney, and I'm going to keep it like a sandwich, and above this we are going to keep the empty bread. So this almost looks like a sandwich. So similarly I'm going to make the other one. First we are adding the green chutney. And on the other bread we are going to add the red chutney, and we are going to spread it evenly. Suppose if you don't like it very spicy, you can apply less amount of this red chutney because it will be very spicy. Yes, it's done. So we have applied the chutneys. Now as we did for the other one, we are going to keep one above the other, and I'm going to close it like a sandwich. So now it's done, the sandwich is done. So now we are going to make the batter, and then we are going to dip it in the batter and we are going to deep fry it. So before I prepare the batter, let me tell you how I made this red chutney and the green chutney. To make this red chutney and green chutney, I will give you the ingredients. It will be displayed on the screen. Suppose if you want to make a note of it, you can utilize that. So orally I will tell you how to make this chutney. So this green chutney, I've taken one bunch of mint leaves and one bunch of coriander leaves and one big lime. I've squeezed it and I've extracted the juice, and I have added. And along with this I've also added 2 green chilies. Now coming to this red chutney, this is full of Kashmiri chili and some normal red chili. Along with this I have added a small portion of jaggery and 8 to 9 garlic. So this is composed of those items. So I have grinded them and I have made it into a fine paste. Now let's see how to make the batter. So I have taken the gram flour or the besan flour. So to this besan flour, we are going to add a little quantity of salt, the required salt. So I hope this much of salt will be enough. Next I am adding a little quantity of baking powder or baking soda. This is not baking powder, this is baking soda, because the pakoda usually comes out very well when we add baking soda. Now we are adding a little quantity of cumin powder. If you have cumin seeds also, you can add cumin seeds, but I don't want them to be added whole, so I am adding a little amount of cumin powder. Next I am adding a little quantity of turmeric powder. It gives a really good color. And now I am adding a little quantity of food color. Now this is optional. If you want, you can add it. I like it if it is very red. I want the recipe to be reddish in color, so I am adding a little amount of food color. So now we are going to pour the required quantity of water. It should not be too thick or it should not be too thin. So it should be in an intermediate consistency. Add the water little by little so that you can understand how thick it is. Otherwise sometimes it might collapse. So now it is very thick, so I am adding some more water. So now I have got a perfect consistency. So this should be the consistency. It should be of pouring consistency and little thick also. So this would be perfect. So we'll let this stay for 5 to 10 minutes because we have added the baking soda here. So let it ferment for some time. Later we'll start dipping the bread and we'll start making the pakodas. So now let's quickly get into the recipe and start frying the pakodas. So now I'm going to lit the flame and I'm going to place the kadai and we are going to pour the oil. So before we start frying the pakodas, let us cut these pakodas into two. So you can see the tricolor in the bread. So as I told you, our national flag color. So now we are going to dip it in the batter and we are going to deep fry it. If the kadai is very small, you can add one by one. Since my kadai is very little bigger in size, I am adding two and I am frying it. So it is cooked on one side. Now we are going to flip it. Flip it carefully that the bread sandwich doesn't break. if you don't like the edges, you can cut the edges and you can also fry them. I don't want to waste the edges, so I have utilized them as well. So now you should be very careful. It should not completely burn, nor it should not be semi-boiled. It should be completely boiled. And see, I can hear the noise of the oil bubbling. So when all the bubbling calms down, it is indicating that the bhajis are fried well. Trust me, it is going to be one of the interesting snacks, and especially during the rainy season. One cup of chai and this bread pakoda goes very hand in hand. Yes, it is very well fried. So now I am going to remove some oil. So now it's time to serve the pakodas. So I'm going to cut one of the pakoda and I'm going to show you how it looks from the inside. See, you can hear the noise. It's very crispy and you can see all colors of the national flag, the saffron, white and green. So it looks very colorful. Trust me, it's going to be one of the interesting snack. So let's serve this. So now I'm going to assemble all the bread pakodas, and now I'm going to keep a little quantity of the chutneys. The red chutney and my favorite green chutney. So here you go, one of the interesting snack, evening time snack. The Bharat bread pakoda is ready here. So you can serve them hot, and if you have any guest, you can try this recipe and make them feel very interesting about this recipe and enjoy it. So if you really like us doing these videos, you can please subscribe to our channel and please give us a like so that we will get encouragement to do lot of videos like this, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get instant notification about our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.